Ladies and gentlemen, Wishbone is on the move for this afternoon 7th race, a grade M event over the 5/16th mile course. And here's Wishbone at the break. 5-3-1. 5-8-4-6 into the first turn. And into the backstretch turn. 5 still with the lead, followed by 8-4-6-3-1-2. And headed down the backstretch. 5 by a mile, followed by 8-6-4-3. 5 headed into the home stretch, followed by 8-6-3. And here we are at the home stretch, 5-8-6-1. 5-8-6-1 at the wire. Please hold all mutual tickets till the race results have been declared official. Stretch of the 7th race are now official. Running to win ground number 5, Nikita Sunrise, running out of road 1.